Can foreigners serve in the German army? The issue of the possibility of foreign citizens to serve in the Bundeswehr, the German armed forces, is becoming increasingly relevant against the backdrop of the changing geopolitical situation in the world. According to current German law, military service in the Bundeswehr has traditionally been open exclusively to German citizens. This rule has remained unshakable for a long time, but today it is increasingly being rethought in the context of the real challenges facing the country. The main catalyst for the discussion was the acute shortage of personnel. Germany has set itself an ambitious goal to increase the size of the army by about 20,000 troops in order to meet the increased security requirements in the region, primarily in the context of Russia's actions. Defense Minister Boris Pistorius has made a proposal to open access to military service for foreign citizens, primarily for immigrants from European Union member states, as well as from Great Britain, Switzerland, and a number of other NATO states. This proposal has caused widespread discussion both in parliamentary circles and in society. It is noteworthy that this practice already exists in other European countries. Denmark, for example, allows people born abroad to serve in the military if they have a residence permit or work permit. France opens the doors of the Foreign Legion to citizens of other countries between the ages of 17 and 40, subject to successful selection and combat training. Spain and Slovakia also have mechanisms for recruiting foreigners for military service. Thus, Germany, if the proposed reforms are implemented, will not be an exception, but will only join the already established European trend. Marie-Agnes Strack-Zimmermann, chairman of the Parliamentary Defense Committee, called on lawmakers to think strategically and consider what is happening in a broader context, as a step towards creating a unified European army in which nationality will cease to be the determining criterion for military service. However, any changes in this area will require serious legal consideration and approval from the German parliamentary structures. For those foreigners who already consider service in the Bundeswehr as a real prospect, there is one proven way to obtain German citizenship. After 5 years of legal residence in the country, if the language requirements are met, financial independence is confirmed, and a number of other conditions are met, a foreigner can apply for citizenship and with it all the rights of a German citizen, including the right to serve in the army. This route remains the most reliable and legally transparent today. Time and the political will of German society will show how the situation will develop. What do you think about this?